All right, I think we are live. Yeah, the link. All right. What is the link? Uh, Let me get everybody in here. Good morning, Tris. Good morning. Good morning. Let's hope we can catch a banger trade. And then this week I'll finally green because we took a banger trade, but followed it with 2 losses. Um, but we do have 9:45 and 10 a.m. news, and I do like longs. We took out all the London lows, all the liquidity. There is levels. This is like a 4-hour low, another 4-hour low that we could potentially target if we keep on dumping. But if that's the case, I'll just look for a sell sequence. But I want to see what we do around this gap first. Potentially target these London highs, and if we do, we will be paid. W's I love the grind. What up, Krabby? Today market looking bearish, but I'll wait. Yeah, we just have to see. Honestly, we got 4 minutes till market even opens. ES and NQ are looking aligned, so that's good. Just probably just gonna have to wait for the news and see if it does any effect. Shorts look so free. They do look free, but I'm still gonna have to wait. But marked all these gaps. There's a 5-minute. Obviously, I wouldn't take a trade off of it. I just want to see how price reacts to it. Around this gap, I'll probably take a jab at longs, followed by all of these. For shorts, though, I gotta start looking for some sit-ups. It's just we gotta go so far. I think we're trading inside this gap right now. This 5-minute. See how we held up throughout. That's good. Haven't closed it below it. This could be a setup that I like if we continue the structure to the downside. And there's more gaps. Oh my god. This as well. We never closed below it either. Today is looking good, y'all. I just hope price delivers. And doesn't chop up like yesterday. Yesterday was so bad. There we go. We got levels both to the upside and the downside. We got 3 up. We got 4 to the upside, 3 to the downside. Let's go. Oh my god. I gotta approve people to the Discord. Alright. See what market open does. Yo, what's up, Bob? There goes the bells. Alrighty. Let's see what we do. And the DAC is just dumping. The DAC, the DAC, the DAC, the DAC. I probably, honestly, the first 15 minutes, I just want to observe, see what happens. And go from there. One thing I don't like though, ES is bearish while NQ is bullish. Something I'm not a fan of right now. ES need to catch up. Let's see what we do around this 5 minute. Kind of want to see a 5 minute closure above this gap. Oh, told me that price is strong. What up, Betty? We gotta get those accounts back on track, bro. I need to get a dub. I need to catch a dub. Yes, and NQ finally lined up. Something I like to see. We do look bullish. See what we do around this gap. I did say I want to see us disrespect this fair value gap right here, which we did. Just want to see continuation, honestly. Could probably take a jab. But it's just the only thing is, you got news in about 12 minutes. I'm downsizing half and 300 to 300. Hell yeah. Josh? We are a little extended right now, so we're down. We're bound to see a pullback, for some longs, but I do like some longs. I do like some longs today. We're just pumping, pumping. Holy. You might see London highs before news even drops. At this rate. We do got about 9 minutes of news, so gotta keep that in mind. If we didn't have 9:45 news, I probably would have took somewhat of a sequence off of this 15-minute right here. I know we tapped into it. This would have been our entry probably if we didn't have anything going on, but I'd rather be patient. Just wait, honestly. There's a lot of news happening today too, especially the news with Iran and stuff. So price is definitely gonna be volatile today. Trump says he's considering limited strike on Iran. Bro, there's so much news about war. I mean, it's bad for the world, but the market moves a lot whenever there's something involving war. We got news in about 6 minutes, so we will see. Have y'all took any trades yet? Or y'all just waiting for me? You got 5 minutes of news. Just gotta stay patient, my boys. Just gotta stay patient. I do like to see the prices moving though today. And then after 9:45, there's 10 a.m. news as well. But 10 a.m. is orange folder. I hope it doesn't affect us that much. But PMI is like something you have to wait for, honestly. So red folder. And we got 4 minutes left. Why rush into a position when you can just wait 4 minutes? And you'll be fine. You'll be fine, twin. Oh my god, we're just moving right now. Holy. If we do miss out on the whole setups because of news, honestly, what could we do? I don't want to take a setup during news, bro, or before news. That is a recipe to disaster. Are you sick, bro? No, I just woke up. Red folder despair. Nah, I'm not sick, bro, but inshallah. Yo, Josh, you should be fasting with me, bro. Help me out here. Yeah, about 2 minutes on news. Your boy not fasting no more? No, he is. And then I get to celebrate you too. Yeah, of course, bro. Pull up. You gotta do 30 days though, but you're kind of late, so it's okay. You could do the rest. It's just I'm super tired because bro, your sleep schedule is so messed up. Like I went to bed at 12, woke up at 5 a.m. to eat, didn't go back to sleep till about 6:30. Had to wake up at 9. But ETs, what ETs? Alright, news about to come out. 30 seconds. This 15-minute candle is actually insane, though. All right, news just came out. Let's see if you waited for something good or for nothing at all. All right, news came out. And you have 10 a.m. news, and that's it. It was forecasted 52.6, came out 51.2. So it came out lower than forecasted. So usually whenever it's red, it means it's good for the market, for us. Trading inside of 2 hourly gaps as we speak. Bro, this was something crazy. Alright, I think I'm going to take some longs here. If you close above the 50% mark. 947. Alright, just got filled there. Targeting these highs. So about 37 points. Probably gonna have my stops. Bottom of this candle wick right here. It's about a 1-to-1. See if you get it. Bro, don't tell me the second I get in, we just get insta stop, bro. Yep, just got stopped out. Wow. Every time I get in, the market just wants to retrace. This is insane. This is actually crazy. I do still think we take out these highs, but it's just like I was waiting on news. News came out. Look at this, bro. We literally saw all this continuation, and then out of nowhere, a 40-point candle to the downside. It's actually insane. We pumped 200 points, 5 days cooked. Yeah. What up, Pex? You look like you just took a dub. Or you sound like you just took a dub. I did, in fact, take a W. What you take? Some longs? How much you hit for? Wow, bro. I got insta stop again. This is actually insane. AES was nowhere near the highs though. Holy, NQ was just overextended. Yeah, as long as right down there, market open, calm closed up 30 points with that. Be up 200 points. Yeah. I was just waiting on news this whole time. News came out, finally saw a setup that I could take, and then we just got stopped out, bro. Like, I legit caught the top, and this is crazy. My account just got blown down. Damn, bro. It started off so good. Oh my god, we're just dumping. I don't think we're gonna take out these highs anymore, honestly. Yeah, news. Cause I had another perfect setup would have gave me another 100 points, but news so couldn't take it. Yeah. We got 10 a.m. news coming out in about 8 minutes as well. I mean, news is helping us move, but it's just this whole move happened. I was just waiting for news, And then news finally happened. Finally took a position and got stopped out, bro. What can you do? Probably just gonna wait for 10 a.m. See if I can see anything else I want to take, and that's it. Not gonna lie, I did just hop in shorts for 15 points. Hell yeah. I did really want us to take out these highs, bro. Yeah, news in 6 minutes. See if it does anything for us. This 5 minute candle is how many points? 50-point candle. That's crazy. Followed by a 65-point. Yeah, no. We have been moving. See if there's anything else coming out about Iran. I mean, I've just missed the easiest longs of my life, bro, because of news. I got news in 4 minutes. Let's see if it does anything for us. Two minutes. Seeing ES pop up right now. Oh, it's about to get it already. Alright. Yes, is running. Can NQ follow and hit this London high level so I know my bias was correct? Oh, it was running. Oh, just literally hit the point and came back down. 40 seconds. $20. I heard a ding. Yeah, that was my yes. So I know yes is also breaking out with NQ. Look at this flip that's happening right now. Did y'all see that on the 1 minute? Alright, news just came out. Let's see. Come on. Alright. Well, news is out. And looks like we're back going up towards highs, maybe? Oh, yes, but yep. Get rid of this. I really just want to see us hit these highs, bro. Maybe you can form another setup. You gotta see. Did you enter me in the giveaway? I did. That was a yes, guys. Don't worry. I'm not in anything. Pre-ship. I'm probably gonna. So I gotta give away a growth account that's on my YouTube. Oh my god. Where did that come from? I'm gonna make sure I'm not in anything. Yo. Yo. Where did that come from? Look at ES. What just happened? Bro, that was not news though. Why are we ripping up? Tariffs? U.S. Supreme Court does not issue ruling in challenge to legality of Trump's global tariffs. So I guess there was tariff news all the time. Oh my God, we're just ripping up, guys. Well, we needed that when we went long. I think the retest. Yo, no. There was news about tariffs that I did not know. What? I thought there was only new home sales coming out at 10 a.m. If I knew there was tariff news, I would have waited till 10 a.m. to get in anything. Dog. What is this? No, this is insane, y'all. And now, I mean, what do we do from here? We already took out all the objectives to the high side. We already took out highs. We already took out highs. We already took out lows. We already took out lows. Everything is done already. But it's just like we didn't even get a chance, yo. That's insane. I guess we're just gonna keep on pumping up because of the tariff news, but it's just like there's no really structure to go off of. And I'm scared. Do I even want to take another position? Bro, they challenging Trump's tariffs. My father was on the phone with Danielle. I said I'm again long as he thought of long so you read my TV. Yo, yeah, Gabe, did you take anything? That just like that's actually insane. Like that candle came out of nowhere. And I thought it was 10 a.m. news. 10 a.m. news came out. Nothing really changed. And then next thing you know, we're just pumping. No, all my setups ran a full TP, no entry. Dude, I was waiting on 9:45 a.m. news the whole time. The one time, there was a 15-minute right here that I tried taking an entry off of. Legit, look at my luck. Literally. I got in right here. And then look what happens. The pullback of the century happened the second I get in. And then we just pump up. But I didn't see this coming at all. But yeah, I mean, everything got hit, so there's nothing else for me to look for during the market. Whenever we took out all the liquidity from last night, I mean, we're either going to just chop up now or we're just going to continue on. So, damn, I really wanted to end the week off with a good note, but hey, there's always next week. But I'll be live